Have you ever looked at a woman and thought to yourself, she looks incredibly fresh. She looks radiant. She looks younger than her age. Yet you couldn't quite put your finger on why. Most people assume it is expensive treatments. They assume it is genetics. They assume it is cosmetic procedures. But often the difference comes down to a handful of grooming habits that many women overlook completely. And today I want to share 10 of them with you. These are grooming habits that can instantly help you appear fresher, more polished, more vibrant, and yes, even years younger. And make sure you stay until the end because the final habit is one that I believe makes one of the biggest differences of all. Yet most women completely ignore it. Today I'm sharing 10 grooming habits that can instantly help a woman look more refreshed, more polished, and yes, even years younger. And make sure you stay until the end because the final habit is one of the most powerful of all, yet it's something most women completely ignore. Now, before we begin, if you're new here, my name is Elisa. I am an image consultant and the creator of Return to Elegance. Over the years, I've helped thousands of women improve their grooming, beauty, style, confidence, and overall presentation. And for women who want to work with me beyond YouTube, I have created the Return to Elegance Masterclass, my books, and the Return to Elegance editorial. Inside, I go much deeper than what we can cover in a single YouTube video and help women create a complete transformation in the way they look, feel, present themselves, and live. Everything is linked below if you'd like to join us. Now let's start with habit number 1. Now let's begin. 1. The lymphatic ritual. One of the fastest ways to appear older is not actually wrinkles. It is puffiness. A puffy face can make us look tired, swollen, and less defined. What many women do not realize is that fluid retention often changes the appearance of the face far more dramatically than a few fine lines. This is why lymphatic drainage has become one of the most talked about beauty practices among women who consistently look fresh and youthful. Whether it is through a facial massage, a gua sha tool, an ice roller, or even a few minutes of gentle drainage techniques each morning, helping the lymphatic system move excess fluid can visibly improve the appearance of the face. The jawline appears more defined. The cheekbones become more visible. The eyes appear more open. The entire face simply looks fresher. Many women spend hundreds on makeup trying to create definition that can often be achieved naturally through reducing facial puffiness. 2. The lash lift. One of the quickest ways to make the eyes appear larger and more youthful is to lift the lashes. As we age, the eye area naturally becomes one of the first places where signs of aging begin to appear. The eyes can appear heavier, the lashes may become less noticeable, and the overall appearance can seem more tired. A lash lift creates the illusion of larger, brighter eyes without the maintenance of lash extensions. It is elegant, it is natural, and it allows your own lashes to become the star. Even women who wear very little makeup often look significantly fresher when their lashes are lifted and defined. It is one of those subtle grooming details that people notice without realizing exactly why. 3. Dental brightness. Nothing communicates youth quite like a bright, healthy smile. Now, I am not talking about unnaturally white teeth. I am talking about clean, healthy, well-maintained teeth. A bright smile reflects light, it creates freshness, it instantly improves the overall appearance of the face. In fact, many beauty experts say that improving your smile often creates a bigger visual transformation than purchasing new makeup. This is why many women invest in whitening strips, professional cleanings, whitening toothpastes, and at-home dental care. A brighter smile makes you look healthier, more vibrant, and more youthful almost immediately. 4. Face shaving. Now, before some of you panic, stay with me. Face shaving has become one of the most popular grooming habits among beauty professionals and makeup artists for a reason. Removing peach fuzz allows makeup to sit more smoothly on the skin. Products apply more evenly. The complexion appears brighter, and the skin often reflects light more beautifully. Many women are surprised by how much smoother and more refined their makeup looks after incorporating this into their routine. Of course, it must be done properly and safely, but when done correctly, it can create a remarkably polished and youthful appearance. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, make sure you subscribe because every week we talk about beauty, grooming, elegance, style, and becoming the very best version of yourself. Now let's move into one of the most powerful anti-aging habits every woman should know. Number 5, anti-aging skincare. Now let's talk about one of the biggest mistakes women make when it comes to skincare. They buy everything. One serum, then another serum, then another cream, then another trend. And before they know it, they have a bathroom cabinet full of products and no real results. The truth is that when it comes to youthful-looking skin, there are really 3 products that have stood the test of time: a good vitamin C, a retinol, and daily SPF. That's it. Vitamin C helps brighten the complexion. Retinol supports skin renewal and helps soften the appearance of fine lines over time. And SPF protects the results you're trying so hard to create, because there is no anti-aging routine that can compete with daily sun protection. If you're spending hundreds on skincare but skipping SPF, you're working against yourself. And by the way, my favorite skincare products and beauty tools are always linked below for those of you who ask. Number 6, red light therapy. Now, this is one of the beauty treatments that has become incredibly popular over the last few years, and honestly, for good reason. Red light therapy is one of the few beauty trends that has managed to stay relevant because so many women report visible improvements in their skin over time. The goal isn't overnight transformation. The goal is consistency. Women who use red light therapy regularly often notice improvements in skin texture, brightness, and overall appearance. And one of the reasons I like it is because it fits perfectly into a modern beauty routine. You can do it at home, you can do it while reading, you can do it while answering emails. It's simple, it's practical, and unlike many beauty trends, it focuses on long-term results rather than quick fixes. Number 7, wearing makeup for your undertone. This one changed everything for me, because many women assume that if a foundation matches their skin color, it matches their skin. Not necessarily. What matters just as much is the undertone. Warm, cool, neutral. And when your makeup works with your undertone rather than against it, something interesting happens. Your skin immediately looks healthier, more balanced, more harmonious, more youthful. The wrong undertone can make a woman appear tired, dull, or even older than she really is. The right undertone brings life back into the face. This is one of the reasons I became so interested in color analysis and image consulting. Because sometimes the issue isn't the makeup, it's the color. And if you've never explored your undertones before, I highly recommend it. The difference can be dramatic. Number 8, the right facial oils. Now, before anyone says, my skin is already oily, I'm not talking about pouring random oils onto your face. I'm talking about using the right oils for your skin type. One of the things that naturally happens as we age is that the skin often becomes drier. And dryness has a way of emphasizing texture, lines, and dullness. A well-chosen facial oil can instantly bring back that healthy glow that we naturally associate with youth. Think of the difference between a fresh grape and a raisin. Hydration matters, radiance matters. And sometimes a few drops of the right oil can completely change how healthy and vibrant the skin appears. Now, before we continue to the final 2 habits, I want to pause for a moment. If you're watching this and realizing that what you want is not just a few grooming tips, but a complete transformation in the way you look, present yourself, communicate, dress, and carry yourself, then I want to personally invite you to join me inside the Return to Elegance Masterclass. This is not just a beauty course. It is the complete system I created to help women become more confident, polished, feminine, intentional, and elevated in every area of life. Thousands of women have already joined. The link is in the description, and I would absolutely love to welcome you inside. Now let's move into the final two habits, including the one that I believe takes years off a woman's appearance almost immediately. Number 9, the right haircut. Now let's talk about something that can either take years off your appearance or add years to it instantly, your haircut. And I know this because I've seen women spend thousands on skincare, treatments, and beauty products while completely ignoring the thing people notice almost immediately, their hair. The truth is that the wrong haircut can make a woman look older, harsher, and more tired than she actually is. While the right haircut can soften the face, bring attention to the eyes, and create a much more youthful appearance. One of the biggest mistakes I see is women holding onto a hairstyle that no longer serves them. Sometimes it is the exact same haircut they have worn for 20 years. Sometimes it is hair that has become too heavy, too flat, too severe, too damaged, or simply no longer works with the woman they are today. Youthfulness is often associated with movement, softness, lightness, healthy-looking hair. This doesn't mean every woman needs layers. It doesn't mean every woman needs long hair. It simply means your haircut should work with your features rather than against them. A great hairstylist can often create a bigger transformation than an expensive beauty treatment. And if you've been thinking about refreshing your appearance, your haircut may be one of the first places to start. Number 10, taking care of the eye bags. And finally, the grooming habit that I believe makes one of the biggest differences of all. The eye area, because when most women say, "I look older," what they often mean is, "I look tired." And those are not always the same thing. The eye area is one of the first places where fatigue shows up, stress shows up, lack of sleep shows up, life shows up, and unfortunately, it can make us appear older than we really are. Now, this doesn't mean you need surgery. It doesn't mean you need complicated treatments. It means paying attention to the eye area consistently. Cooling eye masks, caffeine eye creams, good sleep habits, managing fluid retention. Even something as simple as sleeping with your head slightly elevated can make a difference for some women. And if you wear makeup, learning how to properly brighten the under eye area without creating heavy creasing can instantly make you look fresher and more awake. Because youthful beauty is not always about looking younger. Sometimes it's simply about looking well-rested, and that alone can take years off your appearance. And my love, if there is one thing I hope you take away from today's video, it is this. Looking younger is rarely about chasing perfection. It is rarely about finding one miracle product. And it is certainly not about trying to become 20 years old again. The women who age beautifully usually do something much simpler. They pay attention to the details. They stay consistent. They take care of themselves. And over time, those small habits compound into extraordinary results. Now, before you go, I would love to know, which of these 10 grooming habits surprised you the most? And which one are you going to start implementing first? Tell me in the comments below because I read as many comments as I possibly can. And if you are ready to go beyond grooming and create a complete transformation in your appearance, style, confidence, femininity, communication, and lifestyle, I would love to invite you to join me inside the Return to Elegance Masterclass. This is the exact framework I created to help women become more polished, more intentional, more confident, and more aligned with the woman they want to become. You will find the masterclass, my books, and the Return to Elegance editorial linked below in the description. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and share it with a friend who would enjoy it too. And until next time, my love, take care of yourself. You deserve it.